and within the BJP, there is a section that says, dump the JDU, go with Narendra Modi. This is that pro-Narendra Modi camp. They're urging the party high command not to give in to Nitish Kumar's arm-twisting tactics. The pro-Modi camp points out that snapping ties with JDU will actually remove the ambiguity and get the entire party to work towards one focused goal. The Bihar BJP is confident they'd do better with the JDU not a part of the coalition. Let's listen in to vocal supporters of Narendra Modi in the Bihar unit of BJP.
प्रहार किया हमारे नेता नरेंद्र मोदी पर अप्रत्यक्ष रूप में, जबकि पूरा देश मर्माहत है। यूपीए सरकार के खिलाफ आक्रोश व्यक्त किया जा रहा है, चाहे बलात्कार का मुद्दा हो, चाहे भ्रष्टाचार का मुद्दा हो, काले धन का मुद्दा हो, 2G स्पेक्ट्रम का मुद्दा हो। 2 दिन पहले अश्विनी कुमार ने कोयला घोटाले में जो सीबीआई के रिपोर्ट को टेम्परिंग की बात हो, इन मुद्दों पर कोई चर्चा नहीं की और चर्चा किया अपने घटक दल के नेताओं पर। ये दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण रहा और ये मैं समझता हूं किसी भी गठबंधन के स्वास्थ्य के लिए हितकर नहीं है। ये हमारे लिए अपमान की तरह है।
गठबंधन भी रहेगा और पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड पार्टी का तय करेगा कि कौन प्रधानमंत्री देश का बनेगा और भाजपा का ही प्रधानमंत्री देश का बनेगा।
And headlines today is Atish Srivastav now joins me for more on this. Atish, Bihar BJP leaders met the party president. Take us through what transpired in that meeting. What's the thinking in the Bihar unit of BJP?
Well, Gaurav, first thing is that they have made it very clear that alliance will continue. Rajnath Singh has made it very clear to all those leaders who had met him just a short while back. He said that alliance will continue. Let's not make unnecessary statements. Yes, there was some statement made by JDU and Nitish Kumar, but we'll try and overcome that. The alliance has to continue for the betterment of people of Bihar. They have expressed, Bihar leaders who had come, they had expressed that this is not fair, that we are bending too much to accommodate Nitish Kumar. Nitish Kumar is dictating terms as far as what should happen in BJP and who should be the prime ministerial candidate. On to that, Rajnath Singh clearly said that this decision is to be taken by parliamentary board and appropriate time will take a decision. So as of now, let's make all statements to put on hold, and alliance should continue. There are differences. Yes, there are agreed, but both the party leaders have decided that there will be a life without each other. So, but they have started to prepare a ground as well for both these parties.
Okay, stay on with me, Atish. We'll talk about this in greater detail. But for a moment, let's listen in to what BJP President Rajnath Singh said after meeting the Bihar BJP leaders.
आज इस बॉक्स पर्सन हमारे बैठेंगे, आप लोग वहाँ पर नहीं बोलेंगे यार। बयानों से माहौल और खराब हो रहा है।
So Rajnath Singh there chooses not to comment, at least not as yet. Let me once again bring in Atish Srivastav for more on this. Atish, together BJP, JDU had 32 of 40 seats. Now is that what they're aiming for? Because if Narendra Modi is projected as the BJP's prime ministerial candidate, that is not happening. And Yashwant Sinha himself also said, let's project Advani. So even within the BJP, there appears to be a major divide.
And that is why, Gaurav, you see a delay as far as the official announcement Narendra Modi's face for 2014 is concerned, because forget about having unanimity amongst NDA constituents. BJP is not speaking in one voice. There are leaders like Shatrughan Sinha also has spoken that Advani will be the better choice. Vijay Goyal has said that we like to Advani to lead us in 2014. Now Yashwant Sinha. There is clear theory in the party that if need be, the consensus candidate would be LK Advani. If you do get less than 180 seats, LK Advani emerges as a candidate who is acceptable. So more or less 2014 will be about acceptability. Who is more acceptable? Advani, Modi or some other leaders. Modi, you already know for sure that moment he is announced, JDU will be out of the NDA. Okay. Now, so far the BJP was maintaining, and that was a conscious strategy, we will not declare a prime ministerial candidate. So far the BJP's aim was, we'll focus on
the misgovernance and corruption in the UPA regime. So have the allies and some members within the party forced BJP's hand to change its line?
Well, BJP knows that it is going to be very tough if they project Narendra Modi as the prime ministerial candidate to have JDU on board. In fact, Shiv Sena has also said that there should be no decision taken unilaterally. There has to be a decision taken. Everyone has to be together, and then a decision will be taken. So obviously, there is a bit of concern as the BJP is concerned. They don't have everyone on board as far as their own party is concerned. Even India is not on board.